Welcome back, gardeners! In today's video, we'll cover the essential planting techniques for cherry tomatoes. Whether you're planting seedlings or direct seeding, we've got you covered with tips to ensure a healthy start. If you're starting with seedlings, dig a hole deep enough to cover the stem up to the first set of leaves. This encourages root growth along the buried stem, making the plant stronger. Space the seedlings about 18 to 24 inches apart to give them room to grow, and water thoroughly after planting to help them settle in. Direct seeding cherry tomatoes is another option, especially in warmer climates. Plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep in well-draining soil, and keep the area moist until they germinate. Once the seedlings are about 2 to 3 inches tall, thin them out to ensure they have enough space to thrive. Whether you're planting seedlings or starting from seed, these techniques will help you grow healthy, productive cherry tomato plants. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy planting!